here is a glass transparent sheet. You can use a glass. Okay, then a favorite printout, I've used here rose. You can use a butterfly or something else. And glass painting colors for this, according to your picture, you can use. For this, I'm using brown, red, and green, and a glass liner. Now let's start with it. Here, first you have to open this. You have to poke it inside. Okay, you have to keep the glass painting sheet on the printout. Okay, always start from the top part, then it will be easy. And for this, you have to do it like a mehendi. So like mehendi, we put, like that. You have to press it little bit. Be careful not to press so much, then it will come like something. So for me, this is the top part, so I'm starting with this. For this, you're keeping the transparent sheet on the paper, no? So you can use paper clips or you can use a exam pad. Then it will be like a stiff position. It will not move. It have to not move. So now I finished outlining this. So if it's a glass, you have to let it to dry like something like 2 hours or 24 hours. If it's a transparent sheet, it will get dried in 5 minutes or like something. Okay, now let's start coloring this rose. So we'll start with the petals here. So the same instruction. You have to do it from up always. And be careful not to touch that black outline. Then it can get mixed. Finished it. Oh, it looks so reddish. Next we'll go to the stem. Sorry, the leaves. Here, we'll start it from here. Then over here. You have to be very careful not to put it outside the line. Yeah. Okay, we finished it. We finished the rose. Okay, now you have to let it dry for at least 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes it can get dry so fast because of this climate. Yeah, now let's let it to dry. I hope you tried it out. Don't forget to like,